What's up, guys? Today I figured out how to export the patches or Livesets to a channel on the Boss Katana. So if we click Librarian and then we click the preset that we want and we come up here to the up arrow, that's going to export it, and it's, at least for me, it's automatically highlighted export to Katana. So if we click next and then we click select Liveset, we could go to the patch I want, and then gives you three options. So I don't want to do all of them, I just want to do a single patch, and we're going to click that, and then I'm just going to check mark nobody's fault but mine, click OK, click next, and then it's going to pop up here. So whatever channel you want to select, for example, I want it to go to A channel 1, you're just going to click export, and you're going to wait for that to get done exporting. Once that's done, you click OK, and then up here just click back, and then if we go back into our editor and we take a look at, well, actually it's back in Librarian, and we go to Katana. Now you can see, hopefully the camera's picking that up, channel, well, A channel 1 is nobody's fault but mine. So now we could go back into editor, and then we could adjust the parameters that you want to adjust, if any.